Oops. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Somebody got something?
That's where you're going.
What are you doing?
I think he's got. Oh, there you go. He's still here. Oh, yeah. Somebody got a fish. Look.
Where is your best side, Daddy?
Look at the water.
Oh, I got splashed.
Here, girls. Excuse. Here.
Come over here, Sonny. Come over here. We'll stand over here. Watch.
I'm taking the video
There he is. Come watch.
because of this person, right?
Why don't you ask?
You ask, he's right there.
I know you.
Oh, it's a good one.
Look at that fish.
You ready?
Now get out of here.
He's limited out, you know.
You've got your limit.
No, he doesn't have his limit yet.
Wow.
Take a picture.
I'm on video. I'm on video. Ah! Look at that.
Looks like another rainbow trout.
It is.
It is. You got 2 rainbow trouts now.
3. Because I got 2 in the plastic bag. Are you seriously going to shoot the fish?
Same as yours.
Real
All
life.
big yellow.
I know.
That's a trout.
Put them together.
Let's touch his tail.
Have you heard about the new technique for worms?